Okay, good afternoon. So today we're going to talk about palmate coltsfoot, also known as Petasites palmatus. This is a herb that grows at low to middle elevations in open clearings, usually around in swampy areas or wet areas, but here we've got it beside a road, which is kind of interesting. There's a whole bunch of them growing here because they're coming out from the ground. This one snapped, but this was the rhizome, these thick rhizomes that are growing below ground, and so they're perennial. The interesting thing about this Petasites is that the flowering stalk comes up before the actual basal leaves. And so here we have a flowering stalk with these sort of large alternating bracts along the stem that are quite woolly. The leaves, the basal leaves themselves, come afterwards out of the ground. So here's a smaller one that's just coming out of the ground. Here's a much larger one. And so they are very distinctive in their shape. They're this heart shape, kidney shape, but they are very dissected. So about 2/3 of these dissections are about 2/3 the depth of the leaf. And the underside of the leaf is very woolly as well. The top side of the leaf is not. So the top side has got this dark green color to it. So the flowers, Petasites, are part of the aster family. So the flowers are have two types of flowers. There are ray flowers and disc flowers. And so the ray flowers are these light, white, creamy, longer rays. And the disc flower are in the inside. And from what I've understood is that there are female and male Petasites. The underside of the flower has these large involucral bracts, so that's part of any aster family flower will have these involucres, which are these large green bracts that hold the ray and the disc flowers together. So once again, this is Petasites palmatus, also known as palmate coltsfoot.